girls. And now for the final part. This is the you-do of our Springing into Geometry lessons 10.1 through 10.3. I hope you have learned a lot from watching the video, but this is the second part of that video. So we're going to get to the you-do part, which is your opportunity to practice what we are learning. So here is the you-do. Remember, you want to look for the measure that is greater or less, and when you're comparing them, you have to convert the greater measurement or the greater unit to the lesser unit. So here, remember to convert pounds to ounces. So you're going to convert 4 pounds to ounces so that you can compare the number of ounces in 4 pounds to 89 ounces and determine which of them is greater. So pause the video and I will give you the answers once you've solved them. Okay, here are the answers. So you'll notice that in order to get 72, or in order to get the number of feet, we had to divide 72 by, we had to divide 72 by 12, and we got 6. And why? Because we're going to divide this unit to determine the greater unit. So 72 inches is 6 feet. And then we're going to divide, And then for the other one, you would have multiplied 45 times 16 because there are 16 ounces in a pound, and you would have gotten 720. Okay, and then these, how many of you were surprised to find out they're equal? Yep, they sure are. Take a look at your scale, see if you got your problems right or wrong, and use this scale to determine where you are on the scale for school so that you can get the help that you need. Thanks for watching.